Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give friends Robux on Roblox. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to have your friends that create passes so you can start to donate them without any uh, difficulties. So basically, you will need just to or you need just your friends to do these steps so you can be able to give them Robux. And these steps can apply also on you. So if you want to receive money, you can create passes that you can start send them to your friends so they can send you Robux, etc. So basically, we need just to go to the Creator Hub. So click here on the Create menu on Roblox website or app, and it will take us to the Roblox Creator Hub. We go to the dashboard, and basically, we will find here creations, etc. So now you will need just to click on your place or your experience. You click on it, and then we will need just to search for passes. So here in monetization, we will find passes. Click on passes. Now you will need just to create a pass so you can have your friends that will send you the Robux. So you give it any name, donation or Robux friends or friends Robux, and then you will need just to create the pass. Now that we have the pass, we need just to make it on sale. It's by default of sale. We give it on sale. Then we go here to the sale settings, item for sale. You require any price that you would like. You save changes. Then you will need just to have the URL of this sale. So let's go back again to our creation. Let's just go here to this. Either you can copy the asset ID or we can just go back and have the URL. So now we need just to copy the URL. You send it to any friend or you will need just to have your friend send it to you. You type the URL, and then you will need just to click on buy that will be shown here instead of item owned since it is my own item. So we need just to be on another account and you click buy and you will be able to send Robux. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.